Here's my slim down secret for today. Cook smart. Let me ask you a question. How often do you wind up grabbing a pizza because it's 6 o'clock and everybody's starving and there's nothing to eat? Well, I have a solution for you. It's called batch cooking. This means setting aside a few hours every week and prepping lots of food all at one time. And when I batch cook, I roast a chicken in the oven, make a stew in my slow cooker, and boil a dozen eggs all in one afternoon. I wash and chop veggies for salads and shakes. Everything goes in the fridge or freezer in serving-sized containers, and I'm good to go for days and days. Now, how great would it feel to come home the rest of the week with dinner ready to go? No takeout needed. And guess what? Diets fail because of failing to prepare. Well, you just check that one off the list.